Question number 6, page number 42. True, false. Yes, Karthik, first two answers.
Ma'am, first answer is true and second answer is also true.
The king lost his temper easily. Gopal was a madman. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, because the people, I think the village people, some people said that he's a madman.
If it would have written according to the villagers, Gopal was a madman, then it would have been true. But now Gopal was a madman. This is a simple statement, so we will consider it as false. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The next one is Gorish. Gorish number 3 and 4.
Yes, ma'am. Gopal was a clever man. True. Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. False.
Okay, this is false. Okay, next is Akshara. Akshara, last one.
The king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. False.
Yes. Even he was happy and he appreciated Gopal. So these were the true false. Now come to the next part. Next part is narration, but interrogative sentences are there, imperative sentences are there. They are not in your syllabus. We have just discussed assertive sentence. So I don't think so you will be able to do this. You can do only third part. Third and fourth part. Page number 43, third and fourth part. This is narration, beta. अगर आपको याद हो तो. Let me clear the screen. Now your answer. Gopal told the king that first form is written inside. Now try to write answer. Only third and fourth part we will do. Yes, Harmeet. Third part.
Yes, ma'am.
Gopal told the king that.
मैम इसमें मैम मुझे ना समझ नहीं आ रही क्या करना है.
बेटा this is direct indirect speech. Narration याद है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to write the sentence. Leave this thing, your majesty. सोचो ये है ही नहीं. Leave this thing. Only I accept the challenge. Gopal told the king that. Yes, Devang.
Gopal told the king that he accepted the challenge.
Yes, exactly. First form is given. It will be changed to second form. So Gopal told the king that he accepted the challenge. Well done. Who is the next one? Shubh.
Ma'am, next can I tell?
Okay, Harmeet, you can tell. Then I'll give chance to Shubh with the second question. Yes, Harmeet.
Gopal told the guards that he wanted to see the king.
Yes, exactly. Gopal told the guards that he wanted to see the king. The first form changes to second form. Otherwise, other sentences which are there imperative and interrogative, not in syllabus, so leave it. Now, next one is second question. You have to write the meanings of these words. And I told you the meanings of all, I think, 5 words in the chapter. So you can just take 1 minute and complete it. And you can use dictionary also. Dictionary, Google, whatever you want. So I want the meanings of these 5 words. You have 1 minute and your time starts now. 30 seconds to go, then we'll discuss. Only 3 to 4 students are there who are raising their hand. I don't know where are others. So, Gorish, first one, challenge.
Yes, ma'am. I'm asked to contest.
Okay, asked to contest or a difficult task. In the chapter, I told
Yes,
you
ma'am.
one meaning, a difficult task or asked to contest. Both are correct. So, Shubh, number 2, mystic.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, mystic, a person who spends his her life developing his her spirit and communicating with God.
Okay, it is correct. So, first one, beta challenge. Challenge is a difficult task, or you can write ask to contest. Mistake, simply you can write simple in simple language, strange, mysterious, okay, these type of words. Spiritual, religious, कॉमा डाल के 3-4 लिख लो. Spiritual, religious, mysterious, बस 3 बहुत. Okay, next one is Harmeet, comical.
I'm funny.
Comical means funny. Okay. Next, Devang, courtier.
Ma'am, courtier, people of the court.
Okay, people who attend the court. Okay. A person who attends royal court. Okay. Next is Jasmine, smearing.
To spread.
To spread or spreading. Okay. So for one time, I'm going to explain it again. If you have missed, you can quickly note down. Challenge is a difficult task. Mystic, religious, spiritual, mysterious. 3 words will be there. Comical, funny. Courtier, a person who attends royal court. Smearing, spreading. So this was the second question. We will do next also, but after the last one. First of all, open your page 47. There is one crossword puzzle there. You have to fill that. We will do this comprehension later. Page number 47, fourth question. You have 1 to 2 minutes. Again, your time starts now. See the hints. In the blanks, hints are given. And if you are doing honestly, I'm sure that you will not be able to do first one if you are doing it honestly. If you're just taking help of internet, then obviously you will get the answer. First answer is different for you, otherwise others are very easy. You can start. You have 1 minute. Okay, let's start now. First question. Raise your hands first. Again, same students. Gaurish, Harmeet, Devang. Okay, Ipsa is new one. Okay, Ipsa, first answer if you know, otherwise second.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I doesn't know it.
You don't know the first answer, okay? And
No,
second,
ma'am. Ma'am, second I was thinking, I think it might be sight.
yes, it's sight. SIGHT sight. Yes. So, Devang, number 3.
Ma'am, number 3 is tiny.
Number 3 is tiny. Okay. TINY, tiny. Okay. Next is Shubh. Shubh, number 4. My youngest sister is now a dash old.
Ma'am, I know the answer of first.
Okay, tell me first.
Ma'am, cross.
Yes, cross is the correct answer. Beta, cross is the word that we rarely use for the word annoyed. Actually, annoyed is the meaning. Okay? But there is one synonym of annoyed, that is cross. And I haven't ever used this word in my life. I was just looking at this, then I came to know that cross is the synonym of annoyed. So this is quite a different word. Rarely we use it. Okay, cross is the first answer, which means annoyed. Sight is the second answer. Third one is tiny. Now the fourth one. Yes, Karthik. Number 4.
Ma'am, year.
Year. Okay. YEAR. Year. Okay. Next is Jasween. Number 5. Standing on the dash, he saw children playing on the road.
I'm standing on the roof.
Roof. Okay. ROOF. Roof. Next is Saksham Samad. Saksham and Samad. Beta, next answer. Number 6. Are you there? Okay, Madhav.
Ma'am, first.
Yes. First means to complain again and again. Okay. Complain means first. FUSS.
Seventh.
Okay, 7th. Who's speaking? Saksham?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Number 7. Don't cross the dash.
Street.
Street. Yes. So let's revise all the answers. Then we will do that comprehension, picture comprehension. Okay. So first answer is cross, CROSS. Second is sight, SIGHT. Third is tiny. Number 4, year. 5, roof. 6, fuss. Fuss means to complain. And 7, street. STREET, street. Now I think we have done all the things. Now this picture comprehension is there. So many questions have been asked in the ending. There are 10 questions. You have to answer those 10 questions. Then you have to write a story on the book only. That is your homework again. Questions we'll discuss here. So first of all, let's read the story. Who will read? Bishop, you have to read the first page. Page 44. Let me open page 44. Yes, Bishop.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it better.
Stay by the side of the pond. How beautiful my homes are. But my legs are so tiny and ugly. Hunters, run for your life. Let me hide somewhere. These branches, oh no, They are too close. Get out of here. I have plowed my horns. They could have caused my death. I was arms of my legs. They saved me.
Okay. So this was the reading. Now who will explain the story? There is one stag. Stag you can see in the picture. This is stag with beautiful horns. Okay. How beautiful my horns are. So he is very proud of himself and he's saying that my horns are very beautiful. And side by side he's sad also because he doesn't like his legs, okay, because they are very thin and ugly. According to Stag, the legs are very much ugly and thin, so he wants just that his horn should be noticed. Hunters, run for your life. Now hunters suddenly came there and now Stag started running. Let me hide somewhere. Now he's thinking that he should hide somewhere. Now his beautiful horns, they just got stuck in the branches and then they are too close. Get out, get out of here. Now in the last bitter, he just protected himself due to his just legs, not horns. अगर वो horns पे जाता तो he would have died. So I was proud of my horns. Now he realized his mistake. They could have caused my death. I was ashamed of my legs. They saved me. So this was the simple story. I think class 1 and class 2 level story. Now you have to give me answers quickly. So first question is, where is the stag? Rajarin.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, where is the stag in the beginning?
Ma'am, the stag is the side of a pond.
Yes, the stag is standing by the side of a pond. Okay, well done. Next one is just be Harmeet. Harmeet, your video is off, so I'm not going to give you turn. Turn on your video. Karthik, second, what is he doing?
He was looking in the water at how beautiful our horns is.
Yes, he was looking himself. Yeah, he was looking his reflection in the water. Yes, correct. Jasmine, does he like his antlers? Antlers means horns. It's already written.
No, he don't like his horns.
No, he
Sorry,
doesn't.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, he
Sorry,
likes his
you-
horns so much. Yes. Gorish, does he like his legs?
No, ma'am. No, he doesn't like his legs.
Why so? What is the reason?
Because they are very ugly and thin.
Yes, they're very ugly and thin. So Akshara, is why is the stag running? Why is the stag running?
Because the hunters came and they wanted to kill the stag.
Yes.
Ma'am, next.
Hunters came there. Harmeet? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Is he able to hide in the bushes? No, because of his horns.
Yes, he was not able to hide in the bushes because of his horns. They got stuck in the branches. Okay, well done. Next one is, where are the hunters now? Now mean when he was trying to hide in the bushes, where are the hunters now? Yes, Saksham Samar, your video is also off, and Madhav also.
They are very close to the scan.
Yes, they were very close to the, they are very close to the stag when he was trying to hide in the bushes. Next one is, are they closing in on the stag? Oh, this is irrelevant question. Okay, is the stag free finally? Yes, Madhav.
Yes, the stag is free.
Yes, okay. So what does the stag say in the end? Savya.
When the stag saying that I was proud of my horns, but they caused my death. That I was ashamed of my legs, but they saved me.
Yes. So they could have caused my death. Okay. So what is the moral? Moral of the story that you have to make yourself. So please lower your hand if you don't know. Make the moral of the story. can lower your hand if you don't know and raise your hand if you know the moral of the story. Yes, Devak.
Don't judge anyone's figure.
Okay, we should not. Okay. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, anyone else? Only 2 students? Harmeet?
मैम मेरा भी सेम ही था.
Same. Okay, anyone else? What about other students? Suppose you like your arms and you don't like your legs, but one day your legs, they have saved you. Then what lesson you have learned from that incident? No one? Yes, Shubh, try. Akshara, Savya.
Yes, ma'am.
So, beta, in normal conversation, just leave it this story. Simple situation. You don't like your legs, but one day some incident happened and your legs saved you. Then what lesson you will learn? In simple language. Yes, Karthik?
Can I?
Don't be shameful of your body. God has given everybody some special features. Try to find them.
Exactly. Well done. Excellent. So God has given us all the body parts, okay, and all the body parts have their own function. We are not supposed to feel ashamed of them. Well done. So we are lucky enough that we are getting all the body parts. So there are some people who are not having them at all. So I think we are lucky enough. So beta, who was asking, can I? Yes, please.
So, ma'am, sometimes silver also acts as gold.
Okay, fine. Well done. Yes. So Chahek,
Okay, ma'am.
Chahek, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, as I told you, this week you have to take screenshots. So please take them before the students, can leave.
Okay, ma'am.
So beta, your homework is you have to write 5 questions given on page number 42 in your fair notebooks. And please write down one note in capital letters there that each question, each answer should be of minimum 4 to 5 lines, not less than that. You have to explain in your own words. 4 to 5 lines should be there. In case you will not understand any of the question, then I am there. You can ask me anytime in the class. Okay? So first question is, why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa fish? That we have already discussed. He was irritated, he was frustrated. Okay? He wanted the courtiers to discuss an important issue, but they were just talking about Hilsa fish. So he was irritated. This is my hint. You have to make some lines. Next is, what did the king ask Gopal to do? ये challenge है that I think I have asked so many students that what was the challenge, what was the challenge. So you have to write that challenge. And the next one is what 3 things did Gopal do? This question I asked yesterday to someone, I don't remember. So 3 things, half shaven face, okay? He had worn dirty and shabby clothes. And the third one, he he looked strange by spreading ash on his body. So 3 things he did. Then how did Gopal get inside the palace? When Gopal noticed that the king was not, the guards were not allowing him to go inside. So to attract the attention of the king, he started dancing and singing loudly so that he could go inside. And the 5th one is explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. Because he was looking strange. Here you can again mention the 3 things he did. His face was half shaven, he was wearing dirty clothes, okay, and there was ash on his body. So people found it that he was a comical man. Some said that he was a mystic, okay. So you can explain this answer. So all 5 answers you have to write in your fair notebook. Remember, 4 to 5 lines. So check, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone, now you can leave the meeting. I'll meet you tomorrow and we'll start some grammar topic. Take care.